Greetings, Financial Future family. Today's video is a treasure trove of updates for our beloved Social Security recipients. Buckle up because we're about to dive deep into crucial details. Before we get started, let's spread some love. Hit that like button, subscribe to Financial Future for your regular dose of financial wisdom, and make sure you're in the loop by ringing that notification bell. Let's jump into the labyrinth of financial news. Dear Financial Future followers, get ready for some festive cheer. Social Security recipients are in for a delightful surprise with double payments hitting the scene this December. If you're eligible for Supplemental Security Income SSI benefits, mark your calendar for two significant dates: December 1 and December 29. Individuals might find themselves with a combined total of $1,828, while our married couples could be looking at a generous $2,742. Keep in mind, these numbers are subject to the unique circumstances of each recipient, so make sure to reach out to the Social Security Administration for personalized details. Hold on to your seats, Financial Future enthusiasts. Former Maryland Governor Martin O'Malley is on the brink of becoming the next head honcho at the Social Security Administration. The U.S. Senate Finance Committee gave the nod with a 17-10 vote, paving the way for potential positive changes, especially in the customer service department. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds. Time to address a hot-button issue stirring up concern over payments. 6 senators, including heavyweights Ron Wyden, Sherrod Brown, and Bob Casey, are firing off demands for answers from the Social Security Administration regarding overpayments linked to COVID-19 stimulus checks. Reports of benefit suspensions and overpayment notices are sending shockwaves through the Social Security and SSI beneficiary community. Now, here's where you, the heartbeat of the Financial Future community, come into play. Have you received any notices about overpayments? Share your experiences, insights, and concerns in the comments below. Let's foster a space for dialogue and mutual support. Your stories matter. And that's a wrap for today's Financial Future News Expedition. If you're hungry for more updates, click the video on the screen to learn about a new bill in Congress fighting to prevent $500 reductions for Social Security recipients. Always, your opinions matter, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. Who would you choose as the next president in 2024? Especially with third-party candidates entering the fray? And how do you feel about the eligibility criteria for SSI benefits? I love hearing your perspectives. Thanks for sticking with us, stay informed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, and have an absolutely fantastic day.